Hi YouTube family, good morning to all. This is my first video for this channel and this is an introductory video where I'm gonna explain you guys what I will be actually starting on this channel and what will be the content that I'm going to provide till next few months. So as per the thumbnail, you already know that this is about full stack data science program where I'm gonna start a live class each alternate days, and I'll be covering all the way from the basics to the uh, complex concepts that will be covering of the full stack data science program. Now the question comes, why instead of making a paid content course and just providing a free video content to you guys through YouTube channel? This is because I'm observing that now as the hype of data science and data analytics phase is arising, the edtech industries are going at a very large pace, where the motive of these industries are more towards the business rather than covering up the concept and rather than focusing on the contents. Not all of them are doing, but yeah, most of them are doing the same thing. So I think that it is very necessary to you guys to provide a free and organized content to learn this growing technology that is called data science. And it's not there that there are no free resources to learn. Like there are many free resources through which you can learn. Like I can give you an example on YouTube itself. So if you know about two channels, that is one is of Krish Nayak and one is of Campus X. These two guys are very amazing, and I have also learned many things from them. But the thing is that instead of having just a recorded contents, what I wanted to I want to start a live channel, live content that I will be providing on each alternate days through my YouTube channel, and this will be covering up all the from the basics to complex concept, and all the classes will be totally live, not recorded. Okay, but yeah, at last the live session will be as a recorded session that will be provided on the YouTube channel. So if that will be live, so it will be like more interactive, and you guys can also ask the doubts on the live session, and I can directly handle those doubts live at the same time. Okay, and yes, another important thing is that this course will be fully organized, that will be providing a fully organized content where you guys can have live class, quizzes, then assignments, and then also the projects. Believe me, if you guys will be with me in this journey, at last you will be at a stage that you will be able to find out a job by your own. Last not but the least, I forgot to mention my introduction. So my name is Disu Kumar Pandit, and I am currently working as a data scientist at a startup called Entitled Solutions. And before that, I was a data analyst at Infosys, and I have done a bachelor in mechanical engineering. So as I told that this is just an introductory video where I have just told you guys what I am going to actually start on this channel. And till my next video where I'll be actually starting describing the course curriculum throughout the few next months, what I'll be actually providing as a content to you guys. Until then, I want you guys to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I will be going live, you guys will be getting the notification. And I'm expecting that even if we have 100 subscribers on this channel, we'll be starting this batch. So waiting you guys for joining this platform as soon as possible so that we can start this batch as soon as possible. Till then, take care and we'll meet soon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.